Okay, so let's answer a question about the sine function. Is it even or is it odd? So sine of theta. Remember, this is the Greek letter theta. So how do we answer? I'll give you the unit circle approach for it, and as an example of how to think about this. So you draw like one side of the unit circle this way. Okay, so imagine this is like the vertical axis, horizontal axis. I'll fix it a little bit probably, but now draw that line there. So it's a unit circle, so this is 1. And then here I'm going to have to round this off a little bit. Give me a sec. It's going to look like that. Okay, and then draw it this way here. And then, remember this point has the following coordinates, x comma y. And so call this the angle theta here. Now we should also remember besides this that y is equal to what? Sine of theta, of the angle. The sine of the angle is the y coordinate. So now mirror it down to here and look at this point right here. So because you're moving up and down the same vertical line, that means this is still the same x coordinate. That has not changed. It's this x coordinate from here. It's the same at both points. What's different though is it's negative y here clearly. It's negative y. So this is now negative theta in that position, and that's negative y. So what does that mean then for us? It means the following. That following is true, that sine of negative theta, it's the sine of this negative angle here, is equal to negative y, but y itself from here is equal to the sine of theta. So that means we can say it equals negative sine of theta. In other words, this function is what we say odd. So sine of negative theta equals negative sine of theta. That's the big idea. Leave a like if it's helpful. Thanks for watching.